would like to buy a new charger. Or could I borrow yours for today? Oh, there's the tornado warning. Stop declaring warnings twice.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for Jackson County in Florida, northeastern Bay County in Florida, east central Washington County in Florida until 3:15 p.m. Central.
Oh, this would have been a doubleheader.
At 2:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 12 miles southeast.
This would have been a doubleheader. It would have been.
Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows,
He's gonna
and
do this.
vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Mariana around 2:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Plainsville, Wichita, Cottondale, Alfred, Blue Spring, Union City, Steel City, Gilbert Hill, Star and Round Lake. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a
Whoa.
warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county:
Good.
Jackson, Florida.
Fine, don't air the Lafayette warning.